So, hi guys, this is Prasoon Varshney, and I am a hustler and a quick learner who is always eager to learn new things. Basically, I am pursuing my master's in computer application from NIT Kurukshetra, and I did my graduation in physics from Aligarh Muslim University. Okay, now in today's video, I will discuss about the topic eliminating the dark and the deep web. Basically, I made this video around made a video on this topic already around 2 to 3 years ago on this channel. Okay, when I was you can say that child. Yes. Okay, now there is there was no such plan to bring out this video, but uh, ये जो पीपीटी है मैंने बनाई थी बेसिकली आज हमने प्रेजेंट करी है। ठीक है, आज हमने सर को प्रेजेंट करी थी बना के। तो मैंने ये सोचा क्यों ना ये पीपीटी हम अपने चैनल पे भी डाल देते हैं। तो इट्स जस्ट अ रॉ वीडियो कैन सी दैट। ओके, जो हमने पीपीटी में लिखा है आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दैट। And I already told you the video is already uploaded on the channel around 2 to 3 years ago. Okay, on this topic, but now there is a time change. Okay, okay. Not going to jumbling of words now. Let's start the topic. Again, if you don't know, my series is going on this channel. Is called Study with Fab series. This is uh, that series is just you can say that productive lifestyles. Okay, in which I generally do a stream of 4 to 5 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours. uh, जब तक टाइम अलाउ करता है जब तक करते हैं और प्रोडक्टिविटी और कंसिस्टेंसी रहती है। ओके, रिमेंबर कंसिस्टेंसी इज द ओनली की टू अचीव द टारगेट you have set it. Okay, again, now coming to the topic. The topic for our presentation is illuminating dark and deep web. Okay, now before coming to dark web, first we have to know about surface net. What is basically surface net? Surface net is a normal web which is visible for all users, like Geek for Geeks, Facebook, or any website. Means YouTube, Wikipedia, all the others sites. You can search it for. You can search through Google. Okay, these are, all are visible to us. The internet is sizable with millions of web pages, database servers, all run 24 hours a day. Websites are usually labeled with registry operators like .com, .org, .in, etc. I already told you. Means visible net is uh, that you generally go through already. That is .com website, .org, .in, There are lots of domains. Okay, you can search it through Google or Yahoo or any search uh, engine. Okay, just think there are millions of billions of websites when we can't imagine also that. But but if I told you these millions and billions of websites contribute almost only 4% of the internet, can you believe that? Only 4%. Are you kidding me? First, when I researching this topic and when I first saw this term, I just amazed. I was just amazed. Okay, only 4%. Yeah, only 4%. Now, so where is the rest of 96% of internet, which we can't search Google through Google? कहाँ गया ये? कहाँ है? The answer is it's hidden in the form of deep and the dark web. So what basically is deep web and dark web? We will go through this. Deep web is a secret web which is not visible to the normal users of you. The deep web consists of a website or any page on the website which are not indexed or we can say searched by these search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo. Users can only access if he or she has a authorized person to access it and has any permission like if it has a specific URL or username, password. Okay, or and you have to authorize person also to access that. And in normal web we just search through facebook.com, we go to facebook.com and we click on the facebook.com and it's generally type username password and we'll go through it. But not in the case of deep web. You can't search through Google, there is no Google there to search the websites. You have to if you have to find the specific uh, URL, that is .onion URL I will discuss later. This is the famous iceberg example. You can clearly see that there is uh, this is iceberg. This is the top of the iceberg which is coming out from the ocean, and this is a clear web or surface web which is visible to us. The lower part is not visible to us, and here we have Google, YouTube, Yahoo, Facebook. And as I already told you, it consists of 4% of internet. The 96% is these databases, the admin journals, dark web, deep web. Okay, so what is dark web? Now we are discussing about the most dangerous part of the internet, which is called dark web or dark net. Dark web is also a hidden net or hidden website. Have hidden websites like deep web. Okay, basically all the criminal activities are acted upon dark web. Okay, I am giving a disclaimer that upcoming slides are for educational purpose only. Just to aware what the things going on. We are not promoting any illegal activities. Is it okay? Now, basically, what is inside the dark web? The criminal activities like drug dealing, killing human if you want to kill someone, and if you want to purchase some guns, and all the other activity you can't even take it off. Like I have a screenshot of, you can clearly see that there is available gun available for 15,000. For Alab, we have a senator which killed through gun in $15,000. If again, I'm not promoting any these activities. I'm just hey, doing for education purpose. Okay, okay. Now these are the remember these transactions are done through the bitcoins only. Bitcoin is there. Okay, then you will say how uh, dollar is it? I don't know, but I read uh, the bitcoins are used to use as a currency there. Okay, now how to access deep web and dark web? Okay, that's a good question. These hidden websites have the special domain .onion. Likewise, we have .com domains for surface web. It has .onion domain और यहाँ पे फ्री में प्याज नहीं मिलती है. प्रीवियस वीडियो में अगर आपने लिंक आई विल पुट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. I put down that mention this and that. video. Okay, we can't access these .onion website directly by Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. You can clearly see that these are the websites, .onion websites, uh, store of Stone Electronics, TV.onion, Facebook onion. This you can clearly see that. I don't. Accessing the .onion site requires the use of an anonymizing browser like Tor browser, or we have we have the options other than Tor browser. Now we are going to specifically Tor browser. Okay. Likewise, we have .com domains for service type. It has .onion domain. Okay, I already told. Okay, I think this is the Gemini. So what basically Tor does? Tor is a short for the Onion router. That's the logo. It was initially a worldwide network of servers approved with the USB that enabled people to browse the internet anonymously. Okay. The Tor network disguises your identity by encrypting your traffic and moving it across different Tor relays within a network. It simply means that if you don't go through the technology, it it means you became anonymous. This is a screenshot of the Tor browser. Okay, the Onion browser you can see that. So, question arises: is dark web illegal? It might not. Using Tor to access a browser dark web might not be illegal. Means we can say that if you go to store and just explore the store and just come back, this is not a this is this is not a illegal things you did, but if you stole some stuff, then that's illegal. Okay. uh, this is in this case also, if you visit some certain sites and making some certain purchases through the dark web, that is illegal. Okay. uh, Sorry, where is right? Okay. Like if you use dark web to purchase illegal drugs or firearms, that's illegal too. Okay. So there are all the evil things going on. The Tor browser or dark web, deep web. So why the government is not putting a ban on it? The simple answer is dark web was created to protect the anonymous nature of web. Although it is misused, but it is used to protect the anonymous nature. You cannot register users to be anonymous. That's the whole ethos of the internet. It's also technologically impossible. Why? There are lots of programmers who can put together an encrypted distributed system, and anyone who is willing to help can help to run it off it in their own machine. Okay, and there are also government. Uh, we can say that all the government files and all the important stuffs are lying in deep web also. Okay, I'm not going into that. I think that's an overview only. I'm not. We can say that that's enough for the layman. We can say that if you want to go through this whole video, this whole topic, there are lots of uh, we can say that articles available on the internet. Okay. Yes. Good slide. Thanks. Okay. That's the end of this lecture. So yeah, this is it. Hope you like it. Uh, that's it.